In this video, we'll process part of the transactions from task 4. So we'll be processing our receipts first, and because we are processing transactions from the bank statement, this time we need to highlight our bank account. So highlight your bank account and then click on the bank receipts button in the top. Doing this will open the bank receipts window, and this is the same window that we use to enter the transactions cash receipts into the cash account. So we're not going to go into too much detail into what this window has as features. So we are going to jump straight into the transactions. We need to make sure that this time in the bank column we have the bank account nominal code, which is 1200. The date of the first transaction is the 17th of May 2020. The reference is bank receipts and the nominal code is the sales advisory nominal code. In the detail, we'll just type in the name of the transaction, which is sales advisory. One thing that you need to remember when you are working from your bank statement is that all figures in the bank statement, payments and receipts, are gross figures. So you need to use the calculate net on each of those transactions, unless you've been told to ignore the VAT. If you've been told to ignore the VAT, obviously you will not be using the calculate net button. You will just T9 or T2 the transaction, so it zeroes the tax. But every other transaction is a gross transaction, so you must use the calculate net button to ensure that you are recording the correct tax that is owed to HMRC or that is owed to you. So we've got £548.26. We'll calculate the net on that and then move on to the second transaction, which happened on the 19th of May. Again, we are recording this receipt into our bank account. So the nominal code is 1200. The reference is going to be yet again bank receipt, and the nominal code for this is going to be sales bookkeeping, which is 4,000. In details, we'll type in either BACS, sales bookkeeping, or sales bookkeeping, it doesn't really matter. The amount is £1,025.59, and again, this is a gross figure, so we'll calculate the net. We'll move on to the third transaction, again from the bank account 1200 on the 21st of May. It's a bank receipt in the reference. The nominal code is for sales advisory, which is 4001 again. In the details, we can either type in BACS, sales advisory, or just sales advisory. The amount is £808.26. This is again a gross figure, so we'll calculate the net. And then the last receipt was on the 26th of May. It's a bank receipt in the reference. The nominal code is 4,000 for sales bookkeeping. In the details, we'll type in sales bookkeeping or fast payment sales bookkeeping. Any of those will work. And £816.79 is the gross figure. Calculate the net. And then once we are happy with everything, we can just click on save. And you'll see that this amount will be transferred now to the bank account. So the bank account is has grown a little bit to £9,698.90. Okay, so this was task 4 receipts, bank receipts. In the next video, we'll look at task 4 bank payments.